Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kavya. So today I have created this makeup look for Saraswati puja because in West Bengal every girl who is studying in school or college they loves to wear sari in this particular day. Here I have created this neutral makeup look that you can carry with any type of sari you want to wear, and all the product which I use to create this makeup look is under 500 rupees. So without a further ado, let's get into the video.
First, I'm applying this Pond's Superlight Gel Moisturizer. Then I'm applying this concealer which is from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, shade is light, but I'll mention all product details in description so you can check out all shade details. Then I'm blending it with Beauty Blender in a dabbing motion. To set this concealer, I am applying Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder with a big powder brush. After that, I am filling my brows with this brow pencil which is from Miss Claire. This product is budget friendly but it's smooth to apply and pigmented too. I am brushing my brows and then I am filling my brows in such way. First I am doing it from the outer half of the brow and then I am filling front part, because in this way you can measure how intense you want your brow. For the eyeshadow, I am using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette which is pocket friendly, and this palette pigmentation is on point. First, I am taking this dome shaped floppy eyeshadow brush. Then I am taking this deep brown shade from this palette and applying it in a very little amount. It's buildable, so if I need, then I can add accordingly. As you guys can see that I am applying this eyeshadow from outer corner and dragging this to crease line towards my inner corner and blending it well, because there shouldn't be any harsh line. As I said, I can add more color accordingly, so here I am doing so. For the transition shade, I am using this two color and I am mixing it together and applying it with this same brush. I am taking this Maybelline highlighter and using this as a shimmer eyeshadow, applying this to help up my finger and blending it with a big floppy brush. Then I am using this kajal and applying this in outer half on my lower lash line. And I am taking the same brown shade with this pencil brush and I am smudging it over the kajal. Now I am applying eyeliner which is from Maybelline. First, draw a thin line. Then draw a line in this way. Then I am filling this part with this eyeliner. In this way you can see I am extending it in a very little amount. To highlight my inner corner, I am applying this highlighter from Maybelline and I am applying this with the help of eyeshadow highlighter brush. Then I am curling my lashes and I am applying this Maybelline mascara. For sharp and clear look, I am applying this concealer and blending it with this concealer brush which is from Vega. After finishing my both eyes makeup, I am applying this same Maybelline mascara on my lower lashes. After done with my eyes makeup, I am using this Purplle primer all over my face and I am applying this in a dabbing motion. Blend it well. Next I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Every shade will be mentioned in my description, so please check that out. So I am blending it with my beauty blender in a dab motion. After foundation, I am applying Maybelline Fit Me concealer to hide my acne scars, blemishes and highlight my face. And again I am blending it with my beauty blender. To set that foundation and concealer on my face, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. After that, for contouring, I am using Wet n Wild contour kit, which has two shades of powder. One is banana powder and one is contouring powder shade. Because it's a subtle look, so that's why I'm not contouring here, but you can say I am bronzing with this powder a bit. So here I am contouring my nose with this powder. I am applying my favorite blush, which is from Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. Now I am applying highlighter, which is from Maybelline, and it's a very beautiful highlighter. So I am applying it on my high point of my face, like cheekbone, chin, cupid bow, bridge of my nose, and on my brow bone. For the lipstick, I am using the Purplle lip crayon. Shade is this to that, and it's a very nice lip crayon to have in your makeup kit. It's smooth, it's comfortable on your lips, and it's matte. To set my whole look, I am using this Wet n Wild setting spray. Then I am dabbing my beauty blender all over my face to get a smoother look. Here the finished look.
If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so if I upload any new video you won't miss that. And also I want to say a few things in Bengali. এই সরস্বতী পুজো দিনটার জন্য প্রত্যেক ছাত্রছাত্রী মানে স্কুল কলেজের প্রত্যেক স্টুডেন্টই ওয়েট করে থাকে, আমিও করতাম এককালে। তো খুব ভালো করে মজা করো, আনন্দ করো, বন্ধুদের সাথে আড্ডা মারো, ঘোরো ফেরো। আর হ্যাঁ, যদি এই ভিডিওটা সত্যি ভালো লেগে থাকে তবে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, লাইক করো, শেয়ার করো, আর তোমাদের ভ্যালুয়েবল কমেন্ট অবশ্যই করো। তো সি ইউ ইন মাই নেক্সট ভিডিও। বাই।